think we're friends.
Marco, il tuo drone che fa lì.
It's going to be so funny because it was like good fun there.
Hi guys! I was instructed by Beta to tell you the reason why you are here today. We know that there is a rivalry also among riders of the same team. And we also know that each of you thinks that his discipline is the hardest, the most beautiful, and the most complete. Well, Beta has decided to give you the chance to compete in a combined test of trial, enduro, and enduro extreme. We will then, one and for all, decide who is the most complete Beta rider. You will compete at the same terms. No race bikes, no special settings, no custom details. Just 3 standard Beta. The one who will score the most points in the 3 tests will be proclaimed best Beta rider. Are you ready?
Well, they tell us the challenge, and for sure the first thing is that we all been really surprised because we didn't expect that. We came here with another idea.
It's going to be interesting to see how a lot of the other riders ride in different disciplines. You know, I'm feeling quite confident myself, and I think the next few days are going to be fun.
Problem is for me the trial bike, and the extreme bike is good and enduro bike is good, but the trial bike is a surprise for me. We will see tomorrow.
Yeah, trials, it's very tough. At the extreme enduros there's a lot of trial sections. I don't have a trials background, so I'm quite excited to get on the trials bike and try to do a few skills out there.
Who's going to win this challenge? Definitely me. You know, I'm a trials rider, so I kind of got everything. So yeah, we'll see, but I'm going to put money on myself.
It's me. I'm going to win.
I'm going to win.
I'm going to win.
I'm going to win. James, you're going to lose.
Who's going to lose? I think Steve's getting a bit big for his boots. So maybe Steve, you know, he's pretty confident, but he's going to get knocked back a peg or 2 tomorrow.
I ride safe, and for me it's my first time with the 430. So no, ride safe, and the bike is really well.
I mean, honestly, I think Christoph cheated. And, you know, I mean, that's the best I've ridden all year. And, you know, I can't see how anyone could be quicker.
If you're going to talk the talk, you got to walk the walk, Steve. You know what I mean?
Okay guys, we are in a trial race, 2 rules, chrono and penalty. Each penalty is 2 seconds.
Okay, very good job, guys. The ranking, the ranking of the trial section is first Albert.
Well done, Albert.
Second one James. Third Steve. Fourth Travis. And five
Well done.
Christoph.
Good effort.
Hey Christoph, don't worry, it can look easy when you look at trial riders.
Until you see an enduro rider ride trials for the first time. Don't worry.
Don't worry.
Yes, it's true. It's a really difficult sport.
Okay, guys, we are at the extreme test. Your times are very close, so now every one of you can win. Be strong.
Well, obviously I'm disappointed with the 5th place. Anyway, I think it's been not fair for the trial riders, even if my colleague James Dell will make an amazing 2nd place, but I should be happy. I'm the only one that hasn't got an enduro bike at home, so being so close with the time to the podium spots is good. But anyway, disappointed with the organization. We should be more aggressive and have more trial. It's not fair, but anyway, we'll come back stronger next year.
Not too satisfied with my result. Yesterday the grass track test went really good for me, and then trials really disappointed in my performance. But today the extreme test, I'm still trying to find where the extreme is, but other than that it was a good 3 days of riding.
I'm really satisfied of my riding. I win 2 special of the 3 special, and now I know what I need to learn for the next year. I need to learn the trial, so yeah, now I go home and I take my trial bike.
Yeah, so like, you know, I come to Italy, didn't even know what was happening. Spent 3 days waiting for everybody because I'm from Yorkshire and nobody else is. And then to top it all off, like, it's obvious that Steve, Mr. 2-time world champion's a favourite. Well, how can you compete against that? But apart from that, it's been a good 3 days with all the boys and the team, so yeah, it's all good fun.
Yeah, so you said how was the competition? I mean, honestly, there was no competition. I'd like to say that I've trained hard for this, but honestly, like, you know, the last 3 months I've just been sat on the sofa drinking beer. So, you know, I just felt good coming here, and you know, I really like Italy. You know, and just happy to get another win. You know, I'm sort of racking them up, but yeah, feeling good moving forward, and just happy to come back next year and you know, just defend my title. So.